Okay, this one is for you guys. I put this one in here. Here we have a high school runner who is DQ'd, disqualified for celebrating. U.S. high school sprinter Brody Buffington.
That's a sick name.
Isn't that perfect as well? Like, look at the guy. That right there is Brody Buffington.
Yeah.
You're walking through the halls at school, in high school. You're just trying to sneak past. You are.
I'm sneaking
Yeah,
past
you're
him.
trying to sneak past. That's Brody Buffington.
Who am I whispering to?
To your other pal.
Right.
To your other pal. You're like, that's Brody Buffington over there. Because you're the younger grade. You just got in there, and he's already won every championship. That's Brody Buffington.
What a superstar.
You know what I mean?
He does look like a superstar.
That's what I'm trying to get at. And anyway, so play the clip. We'll play the clip, and you guys tell me what you think. Here we go. He's coming.
Audio?
He's coming around. There you go. Wins the race. Disqualified.
Where?
Yeah,
When?
yeah. I had to watch him multiple times too. I was like, "What?"
Where's the finish line?
The finish line is right there. Boom.
So is it because he was cheering before he crossed the finish line?
He is the U.S. #1 in the 55. Won't be able to defend his state title in the 300 after getting DQ'd for his celebration at the Maryland West Region meet. He won't be able to go and actually finish the year and defend his title because
Someone
of that.
has beef with Brody.
Buffington?
Yeah.
I guess they got really strict rules, but a lot of reactions on social media were like, absolutely not. That's ridiculous.
Are we sure it's because of celebrating? It's like he didn't break any other rules?
Buffington knew he had a lead down the final stretch and threw his arms in the air about 20 meters before the finish line, which resulted in a disqualification for taunting.
Oh, he did throw his arms up before the finish line. I did notice that.
Oh, the taunting.
Are you also
Right, the
DQing him for that?
I'm not DQing him, but like if these are the rules that they have to go by,
You're DQing him.
I'm not doing it. I'm not on the board.
I'm putting you there.
I'm a big fan of Buffington.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not.
Brody Buffington. Okay.
The taunting, though. It's the wording. I think taunting.
I don't think he was
But
taunting.
I don't think he's taunting either.
So here's the crazy part. That entire meet right there is his own teammates to see who's qualifying where. So that's you and your boys
Oh,
who are always training together, and you're like pumped.
how
Is
could
that
there
Brody?
be taunting?
That looked like a Buffington to me.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't know, guys. For me,
this is-
I was thinking this was too much. And look, some people agree with me, including former Kara Goucher, former U.S. Olympian and marathoner. I've watched this video 20 times. What am I missing? I see a kid running hard, having fun. I see him enjoying his moment. I don't see any disrespect. Why are we killing our own excitement? I agree. It matters if there's disrespect or not.
Yeah, what was his intent for throwing his hands? Is he rubbing it in, or is he just proud of what he's accomplished?
Play it one more time for me, Will, and then we'll move on. But just play it one more time for me. He comes around. We can see where the finish line is.
His hands barely go up.
He's goofing on his buddy a little bit. Right?
Maybe he's looking back.
Yeah, he's goofing on his buddy a little bit. His buddy probably said beforehand, I got you this time. And he's like, nah, you don't. And then that's just like, it's kind of like practice, sort of.
Yeah.
I have hockey practice. We have like races and laps all the time. And this is,
It's a competitive nature.
yes, and it's not disrespect. It's like friendly banter.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of it, but I guess everybody, like you said, Mo. I mean, you're the one that DQ'd him.
Taunting.
That's Brody Buffington.
All right, here's another one. I got to get your guys' opinion on this. Alexander Bublik smashes rackets in an all-time meltdown out of hand. So you guys know I got into the tennis thing, right?
Yeah.
What are you laughing at, Will?
Someone in the chat, he got DQ for not offsetting his carbon. Matt. Shout out, Matt.